How to create a Squarespace website for client. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Squarespace website for a client. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Squarespace, you could also use the link in the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Squarespace, it is an all-in-one website building and hosting platform that enables users to create the professional and visually appealing websites without needing advanced technical skills, in which it also offers a range of customizable templates designed for various purposes, including business sites, online stores, portfolios, and blogs. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, users can easily add content, images, and features such as contact forms, appointment, scheduling, and e-commerce functionality. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click the Get Started button on the top right. After signing in, you'll automatically be directed on the page in here, where it will show you that you can start by entering or selecting which kind of website do you want to create. We have here the sample of photography, art, weddings, design, music, real estate and properties, construction and maintenance. But for example, in here, I'm just going to create a clothing store. And upon choosing this one, clothing and accessories or casual apparel for example, just click the next button below to proceed. Then you will automatically be directed on this page where you can also select what do you want to do with your website. You can check the boxes that you want to add, for example, to sell products, sell services, get appointments, send invoices, and many more. And after that, just simply proceed by clicking the next button below after selecting your corresponding choices. Then you also need to select how would you like to start building your website, but I'm going to choose using a template. And by doing so, you will be directed in here where all you need to do is simply choose the kind of template for the clothing store or clothing website that you are creating. We have a variety of options, but I'm going to choose for example the first one. And in here, you can start selecting on the right side panel the color presets that you prefer. We have a variety of presets that you could also simply click to see what it looks like when it is been applied. Click Start with the design button in here. Upon clicking on it, you'll automatically see here that you're now being set up your website in here. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load until you'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, you can start customizing some of the elements it contains. You could also scroll down to see what this website looks like or the template of it. So as you can see in here, this is basically the home page. And if you scroll down, it will show you some of the gallery, the options, in any other section in here. But to start editing it, just simply click the edit button on the top panel. And after that, you can click firstly this edit site header to start editing the title of this website. And in this pop-up window, just simply enter here the name of our title. And for example, I'm going to enter here Fascia Navy as the name of this website. And after that, you should be able to see here that it has now been changed. By clicking edit design button on the top right, you could also change the design color, the line spacing, the element spacing, and also under color, you could choose different kind of palette including gradient and also a navigation color in here. And if you also want to customize this image, just click the edit gallery button on the right side panel in here to edit the image in here. You can simply choose here the image and click edit image button. By doing so, you can start by simply customizing the image in here, including the brightness of it, the contrast, the saturation, sharpness, blur, highlights, shadows, where you can start customizing or adjusting the level a bit in here. And after that, you can now proceed by clicking the save button on the top left panel and click the save once again. Now as you can see, the image in here has now been changed. Moving on, aside from that, if you scroll down, it will show us in here other sections that by clicking view layouts on the right side panel, we could also create a new layout in here. We have here a variety of layout to choose from. For example, I'm going to choose this one to make it on the right side of this page or section. And you could also start choosing a different kind of layout depending on your preferences. But if you want to start customizing some other details about this kind of section, all you need to do is simply click the pencil icon on the top of it. By clicking this one on this pop-up window, under content, you can change or by selecting the page or even choosing the design in here, including the other title, some other elements, the size and spacing, and any other context. And let's say we want to also view the layout in here by simply choosing or navigating the height of it by adjusting this one. So as you can see, the section height is now being adjusted. You'd also change the background color or upload a background image that you prefer, video, and any other media files. And by this color, I'm going to choose, for example, this one. But you could also choose some other color palette that you prefer. Now moving on below here, aside from that, you can add a section, and to do that, just click this add section button. Then you should be able to see on this pop-up window, on the left side panel, some of the kind of section we have here: intro, contact, about, people, products, with different kind of also layout in here. And let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this make it stand out about section. Or you can start customizing it. For example, all we need to do is to simply click this one and simply enter the kind of context that we want to input in here. And as you can see, the font style and the font size is being applied upon entering the context that we just removed earlier. So I'm going to enter, as you can see, confidence is in your hands. You could also try to resize this to make it more formal to look at. You could also change some other context in here or description of it by clicking the kind of context. Now moving on below, aside from that, it will show us a variety of options to navigate also. We have here shipping returns, about section, where you could also edit the footers in here. We also have our Instagram, Twitter, and any other social media accounts. But now to save the changes, all you need to do is to click the save button on the top left corner. And after successfully saving it, you should be able to see here the result. And by clicking the exit button on the left side panel, we can also start adding a variety of pages. But of course, it also depends on your client what kind of pages he or she want to input in here. But we have here navigating this kind of pages to look and also start customizing by clicking the edit button, including this contact details. So we have here this home page, the size guide, shipping returns, FAQs, privacy policy, and many more. So basically, you can click the edit button on each section or pages in here if you want to customize the content. But going back in here, since we're trying to create this website for our client, to share this one, just click the settings option on the left side panel below. And after that, on this pop-up window, you should be able to see these permissions and ownership. So can you click on it and click this one once again. And from here, you can click invite, contributor, or even add a basic author. But just click this transfer ownership below to transfer to our client email account, in which all you need to do is simply sign in your email first and start transferring the ownership to the email account of your client. So now as you can see, Squarespace is important in creating a website for a client because it also offers a professional, efficient, and user-friendly solution for building and managing websites. And overall, that is just basically how you can create a Squarespace website for a client. Thank you.